Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, coin lovers and future billionaires. Today, we're unlocking a secret most people overlook. We're talking about two of the most valuable and underappreciated coins in UK history, the 1955 1 shilling and the 1958 2 shilling. These aren't just metal discs. They're symbols of a royal legacy, historical milestones, and possibly your golden ticket to overnight fortune. Let's get started. First up, the coin that could change everything. Imagine holding in your hand a piece of history so rare, so powerfully significant, that it has the potential to redefine your entire destiny. The UK 1 shilling coin minted in 1955 is not just a coin. It's a portal to the past and a golden ticket to unimaginable wealth. With its storied design, silver-clad composition, and royal legacy, this coin isn't just metal, it's majesty. But there's more. A mysterious class of bicentennial UK coins rumored to be worth millions today. The kind that could make a lucky collector a billionaire overnight. A design fit for royalty. On the reverse of the 1955 UK 1 shilling, you're met with a fiercely proud depiction of the English crest, a crowned lion standing atop the crown of St. Edward, symbolic of England's strength, sovereignty, and royal bloodline. The inscription FID Def 1 shilling, an abbreviation of Fidei Defensor, or Defender of the Faith, encircles the mighty beast, anchoring it with purpose and power. It's more than decorative. It's a declaration of royal resilience, frozen in nickel brass. The regal obverse, Queen in profile. Turn the coin over and you'll witness a young Queen Elizabeth II, immortalized in regal profile by designer Mary Gillick. Her uncrowned portrait radiates youthful authority, untouched by time, surrounded by the Latin legend, Elizabeth II Dei Gratia Brit Oem Regina, meaning Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen of all the Britons. This side isn't just a likeness. It's a sovereign seal of legitimacy, tying you directly to the monarchy's enduring power. The coin that defied decay. The 1955 1 shilling was struck from cupronickel, 75% copper and 25% nickel, a tough alloy that resists corrosion, making surviving specimens pristine even after nearly 70 years. Its diameter of 23.6 millimeters and weight of 5.66 grams gives it a perfect heft, solid, substantial, never flimsy. Feel its weight in your palm, and you're not just holding currency. You're holding history. Bicentennial mystery, the hidden royal fortune. Now, let's dive into the legend. The whispered existence of a UK bicentennial coin not widely known, minted in ultra-limited quantity, possibly never released to the public. These phantom coins are rumored to celebrate 200 years of the British Royal Mint's operations at Tower Hill, or even a secret royal bicentennial commemorative. If even one has escaped into circulation, or remained tucked in a private royal vault, its value today would be beyond imagination. Millionaires hunt for them. Billionaires bid in silence. The billionaire's secret, a numismatic elixir. Collectors know, the wealthiest don't just hoard gold bars. They hoard rare coins, and especially bicentennial pieces with misprints, low mintage, or unexplained royal symbology. If you hold a coin that bears unknown emblems or uncommon mint marks from the mid-20th century, especially from 1955 or any bicentennial issue, you may be unknowingly clutching a fortune in your hands. Some say private collectors have paid over $10 million for these one-of-a-kind coins, quietly, off the books. Value in the veins of time. Why such insane value? Because these coins are finite. Unlike printed currency, they can't be duplicated or reissued without destroying their historical significance. That scarcity drives their price into astronomical territory. Combine that with royal history, the transition of monarchs, or political milestones, and you've got a molten cocktail of wealth and legend. The 1955 1 shilling? It's one of the few coins bridging wartime austerity and modern royal ascendancy. Signs of a hidden gem. Want to know if your coin holds secrets? Look for die errors, double strikes, ghosted profiles, or mint marks that seem just slightly off. Examine the crown, the lion's mane, the lettering. Any deviation could be a sign of an ultra-rare strike. If your shilling bears anomalies, it could be a test print or proof issue, created in extreme scarcity. These oddities are the collector's treasure map, leading to 7-digit payouts. From pocket to pedestal, many legendary coins were discovered in the most ordinary places, inherited boxes, attic trunks, or even tucked in an old leather wallet. What if the change you've dismissed for decades turns out to be the key to unlocking generational wealth? That 1955 coin in your drawer could fund a mansion, a yacht, or your entire retirement, if it's one of the few rare variants tied to historic events or royal commemorations. The fortune you must not spend. Let this be your warning and your prophecy. Do not spend a UK 1955 1 shilling coin or any UK bicentennial coin without verification. These coins, if tied to hidden mint batches or secret royal anniversaries, can fetch life-altering prices at auctions like Sotheby's or Bonhams. If you suspect your coin is rare, lock it away and contact a trusted numismatic expert. What seems ordinary could be your stairway to wealth. Your moment awaits. You are not just a collector. You are a guardian of a relic that has the power to change your life forever. The 1955 1 shilling is more than currency. It's a legacy cast in metal. And if you ever stumble upon the elusive UK bicentennial coin, remember this. Legends aren't just born, they're discovered. And yours might be waiting in the palm of your hand. Second, hidden in plain sight, the sleeping giant of coins. There are treasures so grand they don't glitter in gold. They hide in the quiet corners of your life. Among these, the UK 1958 2 shilling coin stands out like a lion in the grass, calm, composed, yet capable of pouncing into your destiny. For many, it's just another vintage coin, but for those who know the truth, it's a portal to power and potentially a one-way ticket to unimaginable wealth. This is no ordinary coin. This is the key that could unlock everything. The reverse, where kingdoms unite. Let your eyes fall on the reverse and prepare to be stunned by its symbolism. A bold Tudor rose, nestled perfectly in the center, radiates royalty. Surrounding it are the national emblems, the thistle for Scotland, the shamrock for Ireland, and the leek for Wales. It's not just design, it's diplomacy carved in metal. Around it, the inscription reads, FID Def 2 shillings 1958, Fidei Defensor, Latin for Defender of the Faith. This coin doesn't just represent a country, it represents unity, strength, and the crown itself. The obverse, a queen in her youth. Flip it over, and you're greeted by a legend in her prime. Queen Elizabeth II, fresh into her reign, gazes toward the future with resolve and grace. Sculpted by Mary Gillick, this portrait is soft yet commanding. The Latin reads, Elizabeth II Dei Gratia Regina. Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen. It's not just a face. It's a symbol of rebirth after war, the beginning of a new British chapter, and a coin that quietly witnessed it all. Built to last, designed to rule. The specs of this coin are as deliberate as its design. Struck in cupronickel, an alloy built to endure, the coin weighs 11.3 grams and spans 28.5 millimeters in diameter. Its reeded edge gives it a touch of elegance and security, while the metallic blend resists corrosion even after decades. This is why so many 1958 coins remain in pristine condition, but that's only part of their mystery. The bicentennial coin, myth or miracle? Now let's delve into the legend that could shatter markets. There are whispers, rumors passed between elite collectors, of a UK bicentennial coin minted in extreme secrecy. Some believe it was struck to honor 200 years of royal legacy, or to mark bicentennial mint events buried in British history. These coins are said to be so rare, so off the books, that even their existence feels like fiction. But what if they're real? And what if one is already in circulation? One coin to make you a billionaire. We're not talking about a few £1,000s. These bicentennial coins, if verified, are worth millions, possibly tens of millions, depending on condition and secrecy. Why? Because they were likely struck in microscopic quantities, using custom dies, unique symbols, and never released to the public. If you find one, especially a misprint, a proof, or one with strange details, you might be holding the only one left. Let that sink in, the only one. Value in the fine details. You might be thinking, how would I even know? Here's how. Examine every detail. Does the lettering look crisper than usual? Does the rose look slightly larger? Is there a double strike, a ghost image, or a foreign mint mark? These are signs of a proof coin or a pre-release test strike. Coins that were never meant to reach human hands. If you find one, experts say it could trigger an international bidding war. The auction world is watching. Auction houses like Sotheby's, Bonhams, and Christie's know the value of these numismatic miracles. Private collectors, royal historians, even billionaires with secret vaults, they all watch the market, waiting for one of these coins to appear. In hushed tones, they make private offers. Quiet phone calls lead to seven-figure deals behind closed doors. And every collector dreams of being the one who sparks the next headline. Forgotten coin sells for £12 million. Found in wallets, drawers, and dusty tins. Stories abound of million-pound coins being found in the most unexpected places. Someone's attic, a forgotten wallet, a tin from an old estate sale. These coins aren't always in museums. They're in the homes of everyday people, hiding in plain sight. The next fortune might be resting beneath old receipts or taped to a birthday card from 1960. It might even be yours. 10. One mistake could cost you millions. Here's what you must never do. Don't spend it. Don't trade it. Don't clean it. Until you have that coin professionally assessed, it's sacred. Cleaning or damaging the surface can erase its value entirely. Spend it by mistake, and you may have just handed away your fortune for a bottle of water. Protect it like it's the last map to El Dorado, because it might be exactly that. How to authenticate a legend. So what now? If your 1958 2-shilling coin looks odd, or too perfect, or different in any way, get it authenticated. Reach out to the Royal Mint Museum, a professional numismatist, or a certified coin grader like NGC or PCGS. If you find out you have something one-of-a-kind, brace yourself. Your financial reality is about to change forever. More than metal, a royal legacy. Remember, this coin isn't just old metal. It's monarchy, mystery, and money in its purest form. It represents an era of resilience, pride, and precision. Owning it connects you to a living history, and potentially, to a windfall most only dream of. Whether it's the classic 1958 issue or the mythical bicentennial unicorn, what you hold is nothing short of royal treasure. Your fortune awaits. Will you find it first? As we speak, collectors across the world are scouring boxes, combing through collections, and flipping through pockets in search of that one life-changing coin. Time is ticking. The question isn't if these coins exist, it's who will find them first. Maybe it'll be the person reading this. Maybe it's already in your home. And maybe, just maybe, that shiny, silver coin you once dismissed is your ticket to the Billionaires Club.